In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Discord bot to n8n. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So first step is to open n8n and click on this Add step. And in the search bar, type Discord, then choose it. And from here, you can choose from those sections. So for example, let's say I want to create a channel. Click on it. Then from here, you need to select bot token in the connection type. In this credential, click on create new credential. Then here you need to paste your bot token. So how you can find this is by going to Discord developers, discord.com/developers. And then from here you need to create new application if you don't have already one. So I'm going to click on new application. You can name it, for example, n8n bot. Then check mark this, click on this and click on create. You need to confirm you are not a robot. As you can see here, this is your name. You can add your app icon, also some description. And what you need to do is go to this section auth2, this one. And from here, scroll a little bit and you need to click on this bot. So this needs to be checked. You can see bot. And then you need to set bot permissions. So you can choose from these, like for example, text permissions, voice permissions, or you can choose administrator. So that means he's going to have like all permissions, but you can choose whatever you want. Now you need to scroll and you need to copy this URL and paste it in new window. As you can see, continue to Discord. And from here, you need to connect your Discord server. So I'm going to choose my server. Click authorize. As you can see, confirm that you want to grant n8n bot the following permissions. So this is the administrator I choose. Then click authorize. Success, as you can see. Now what you can do is go to bot. And from here, you can also set bot permissions. I'm going to choose again administrator. You can also enable these things or disable. Let's say I'm going to enable them. So I will enable those things and then you need to click on reset token. Yes, do it. You need to enter your password. Then it will generate your token. So I'm going to copy my token and paste it in n8n. Click save. As you can see, connection tested successfully. Now we can close this and resource, you can choose channel. So because I want to create a channel, operation create, or you can even delete or get whatever you want. I'm going to click on create. Then you need to choose your server from the list and then you can name your new channel. So let's say n8n test. And you can click on execute step. And as you can see, it's working. It's green. Now if I open my Discord server, as you can see, we have this new channel called n8n test. So this is how it works. And that's how you can connect Discord bot to n8n. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.